Today we're taking a look at the 2016 Dodge Ram 1500 ProMaster. This one's a one owner, only 13,000 miles on it. Clean Carfax, no accidents. Ready for work. It's got brand new tires on it. It's got the shelves in the back. Got the full rack behind you. You got a USB port, a 12 volt, another USB port over here. It's got old power lock doors around, which is nice. As you see, there's that rack behind you. You got shelves on both sides. You got the two doors in the rear that opened up. One owner, clean Carfax, 13,000 miles. It's ready to be put to work.